Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Jammer 360. My name is Billy. Today we are going to be looking at Rookies and Stars. I went over to the Target and got three different types. I got a hanger box that says it has purple parallels, and then I got a blaster box which says they have two blaster exclusive parallels. I'm not sure what they are. And then I got one of the packs, just the regular packs, and it says it has green parallels. So three different boxes, three different types, and we'll see what kind of stuff we get. The packs, they were like $5. The blaster box was $21, and then the hanger was $15. So we'll start with just the regular pack. And it comes with 40 cards in this pack. So that's what the cards look like. And then the backs. And as you can see, this one here is Tom Brady. And Kareem Hunt. Devonta Freeman. Aaron Rodgers. Kelvin Benjamin. Let's see, won't focus right. Ben Roethlisberger. Problem is I can't tell if this is not focusing or if I'm just that blind. Vic Beasley. Davante Adams. Ryan Tannehill. Le'Veon Bell. Aaron Donald, defensive wrecking machine. Cameron Wake. T.Y. Hilton. Brandon Marshall. Christian McCaffrey. Jordan Howard. Deshaun Watson. Matt Ryan. Golden Tate. Nathan Peterman. Myles Garrett. Larry Fitz. Vic Beasley. Standing ovation, Julio Jones. And rookie rush, Saquon Barkley. All right, let's put him there. And precision passers, Lamar Jackson, another rookie. Touchdown club, DeAndre Hopkins. And action packed, Amari Cooper. And rookie Kyle Loretta. Durham Smythe. Darren Payne. Rookie Sam Donald. Carlton Davis. Christian Kirk. He's actually starting to become someone. Rookie Lamar Jackson. Raheem Green. Rookie Dalton Schultz. Rookie Vander Eyck. Rookie Hayden Hurst. And rookie Derek Noddy. All right, so that was just the pack, the 40 card pack. Let's move on, let's say, to the hanging box. So what it has in it is one big pack of 60 cards. Kareem Hunt, Devonta Freeman, Aaron Rodgers, Kelvin Benjamin, Ben Roethlisberger, Todd Gurley, Derrick Henry, Travis Kelce, now becoming the top tight end, Clay Matthews, Kenyon Drake, Antonio Brown, Brandon Cooks, Jameis Winston, Melvin Gordon, Charger, Eli Manning, Dalvin Cook, Rob Gronkowski, Christian McCaffrey, guy's becoming a beast, Jordan Howard, Deshaun Watson, Marquise Goodwin, Drew Brees, chasing every record in the book right now, Derek Carr, Landon Collins, Alex Collins, Leonard Williams, Leonard Fournette. If he could ever stay healthy, he'd be a beast. Demaryius Thomas, Matt Ryan, Golden Tate, Nathan Peterman, Myles Garrett, Larry Fitz, Mitchell Trubisky. He has surely gotten better from his rookie year to his sophomore year. I like this. Stellar rookies. Josh Rosen. It's all kinds of shiny. It's not numbered, but it's cool. Here's Travis Kelce. It's not numbered, but it does have a different color to it. And Nyheim Hines, there's got that purple at the top. Derrick Henry, another one with some purple. Again, not numbered. Standing ovation, Eli Manning. Star-studded, Russell Wilson. Precision passers, Blake Bortles. Yeah, not. Touchdown club, Carson Wentz. Action-packed, Jared Goff. Standing ovation, Aaron Rodgers. Rookie rush, yeah, Baker Mayfield, Oklahoma Sooner. Ian Thomas. Jalen Scott, Duke Dawson, Kerryon Johnson rookie, Mark Andrews rookie, Mark Walton rookie, Amari Watts rookie, love all these rookies, Marcus Davenport rookie. All right, Saquon Griffin, Seahawk. Rashad Penny, Seahawk. Alec Jefferson, rookie. Michael Gallup, rookie. Nancy Armstrong Jr., rookie. Marquez Valdes-Scantling, rookie. He's doing pretty good. And Micah Kiser, rookie. All right. So that was the hanging box. And got a couple of parallels, but they're not numbered. So we're going to go on to the very last, the blaster box. And this one guarantees the one memorabilia card. Yeah, I went to Target to get all these because I couldn't find them from my card dealer. Nobody had, hobby versions. I don't even know if they have them. So I heard some of the other guys talking that Target had them, so I ran and got some. All right, so this one actually has packs. So this one has 7 packs, and each pack, it doesn't say, but it's supposed to have a total of 70 cards. So if there's, well, I guess there's 7 packs. So I guess 10 packs per 10 cards per pack. You know, simple math, I guess. All right, another Larry Fitz, Mitchell Trubisky, Alshon Jeffrey, AJ Green, Sam Bradford, Blake Bortles. In the very first pack, we're going to get our hit. Star Search. We got rookie Josh Rosen. And let's see what it says here. Encloses a player worn material. So, probably wore it at some event, you know, saying, hey, I'm the brand new quarterback for the Cardinals. And action-packed, Andy Dalton. Standing ovation, AJ Green. Marquise Hines. And Vic Beasley. Devontae Adams. Ryan Tannehill. Le'Veon Bell. Aaron Donald. Corey Davis. Joey Bosa. I like when he's playing, but man, this guy is such a wuss. He doesn't play for the smallest of things. Star-studded Antonio Brown. All right. And Great American Heroes. Brett Keisler. He must be... well, it doesn't say he was in the military or anything, so I'm not sure what that means. And Jerry Alexander. Von Miller. Gerald McCoy. Matthew Stafford. Josh Norman. Tyrod Taylor. Michael Thomas. Khalil Mack. That's alright, they already got him in his Bears outfit. That's cool. Jared Goff, pass perfection. Touchdown Club, Russell Wilson. And rookie DJ Moore. Alan Hearns. Kirk Cousins. Tom Brady. Kareem Hunt. Devontae Freeman. Aaron Rodgers. Kind of a red bottom Marlon Mack. Action-packed Kenyon Drake. Standing ovation Kareem Hunt. Not. And Jerome Baker. Jay Ajayi. Andy Dalton. Robbie Anderson. Marlon Mack. Case Keenum. Luke Kuechly. Allen Robinson. And rookie rush, Josh Allen. Pass perfection, Matt Ryan. And rookie DJ Chark. Kelvin Benjamin. Big Ben. Todd Gurley. Derrick Henry. Travis Kelce, Zeke, kind of a red Jalen Scott rookie, Touchdown Club Antonio Brown, Action Packed Drew Brees, And rookie Antonio Callaway. All right, last one. Brandon Cooks. Jameis Winston. Melvin Gordon, Charger, yes. Eli Manning. Dalvin Cook. Rob Gronkowski. DeRozan Clowney. Pass Perfection, Big Ben. Touchdown Club, Todd Gurley. And rookie, Kalen Ballage. All right, so that wraps it up for all of the rookies and stars, the different types. I am happy. I got a Baker Mayfield. Whenever I can get him, I'm happy. And I also got a Saquon Barkley. So all in all, not too bad. Well, that's it. And I look forward to seeing y'all again real soon. Bye.